Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fund inventory purchases with Kabbage. Now, inventory is the lifeblood of most product-based businesses, but what if demand spikes and you need stocks fast? In this video, we're going to show you how to use Kabbage funding to purchase inventory efficiently and wisely. Let's get into it. The first step, forecast inventory needs. Now, before tapping into your Kabbage funds, you want to use your sale data to forecast demands. You can review sales from previous months or seasons. You can also consider upcoming holidays, promotions, or local events. Likewise, account for shipping lead times and supplier availability. Step 2. Log into your Kabbage account. Now you can request a draw from your Kabbage line of credit based on how much inventory you plan to order. The great thing is funds are typically available within minutes if you're approved. Step 3. Place order with suppliers. Now use the capital to pay for wholesale product orders, packaging materials, or logistics and shipping costs. You can pay suppliers directly via ACH or transfer funds to your business account first. Step 4. Monitor inventory turnover. Now, after your inventory arrives, track your sell-through rates. You can integrate your POS or accounting software with Kabbage Insights to monitor inventory levels, restock cycles, and ROI. Step 5. Reinvest in fast-moving items. Now use Kabbage flexible repayment system to repay early or reborrow as needed, especially if you identify items that are flying off the shelf. Kabbage gives you a quick access to funds when you need to move fast on inventory deals or prepare for high demand periods. Don't miss out on sales due to cash flow hiccups. Stay ahead with Kabbage. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.